Hey, Skirt, how you doing? You work here? Dang, I heard it go down. YouTube the next morning, guys. Hey, Skirt, how you doing? You work here? Dang, I heard it go down. YouTube the next morning, guys. Y'all tune into another video. All right, man, so today, guys, we just gonna, well, I was about to run to the store real quick to grab some stuff for the house, you know what I'm saying? We driving the MC today. Time being, I got the battery on the charge. You know what I'm saying? I also got, man, that bitch looking good. Come on, man. Y'all gotta give my credit, man, when it's due. Gotta give my credit when it's due, man. But anyway, we just got a little here and there, little things to do. What I could say? What did I do yesterday? It was something I was supposed to do yesterday, but I already, I had to bend that rod. That rod was hitting on my header, so I bent that rod and everything. I am getting, I think that bit was like 42 to 45 PSI. I don't know if that's normal, but I think it's at least 50 to 58. So whenever my tuner guy come, I already hooked the computer and stuff back up. So once he come, I think he can adjust the ratio and all the other stuff, the VATs, the EGR valve delete. Now, I don't think my homeboy computer, I don't think he cut the actual EGR valve off. So I got that stuff deleted. So that's probably why it wasn't running like how it's supposed to. But, you know, simple, but, you know, hey, get all the horsepower I can get out of it. But yeah, so that's that. We just letting there, what's the name? Box Chevy, stay tuned. I got a pulley and everything, but I haven't even went to take it off. My homeboy, he got a motor. He took out a 305 out of his Chevy. I was over there yesterday, and I said, bro, what you gonna do with this? He was like, man, you take that bitch. So I'm just gonna buy that one. I just gotta get the pulley from the parts store, man. I just haven't even focused on. To be honest, I really focus on the dump and, you know, getting all this shit ordered and stuff like that. So I just know that's on standby. We need to take care of that. But meantime, like I said, I crunked the MC up. I need to do a good oil change. That's gonna come within this week too. Good oil change. Then of course, y'all, you know, we're gonna go to the exhaust shop. Y'all know we're gonna do all that, but I want to go to the car wash just to spray it off. I know it's been sitting here probably about 3 days, and by it been sitting here, I was just like, man, you just go spray it off, at least wash it off, and then guys, look what happened, man. Man, I don't know how that happened, but I can't even explain, man. I gotta get that fixed. But yeah, I haven't even vacuumed this car since I did the headliner. You know what I'm saying? I haven't vacuumed that bitch not one time yet. So she dirty. So I was just gonna, like I said, go up there, man, just to really just rinse it off and vacuum it out, you know, just to clean it up a little bit. Come back home and, you know, play around with it. So pretty much was it, man. That's pretty much was it. Y'all see the radio still holding up. But yeah, man, with these cars, man, you gonna have something like it. Shit ain't gonna be perfect. It's gonna get there. Hey, we on the right track, man. We almost done. We're almost done, man. Just a little more eyes and in. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, just a little more eyes and in with this car. Then we got the 212s I was telling y'all about. We're gonna get those too. I sold the 15 box already. A guy, he wanted them bad. I had them on Marketplace for $60, you know, for the box. And shit, it was like, bro, I got 65. I was just like, man, you come on get it, man. So I said, he came and got it, 65. So I was like, shit, I was gonna do 215, but I'm just gonna throw them little 212s in here, man. Nothing major, just something to put in here, you know. Take a minute for the light to change. Get everything situated, guys. Y'all just stay tuned. We just waiting on a little odds and ends, but they gonna come quick. Y'all know me, like I said, I move. I don't be lollygagging. appreciate y'all, the ones that understood and told me, you know, hey, you didn't give up, man. I like what you're doing. I like it. So if y'all follow my Facebook channel, Facebook page, y'all definitely understand and see what's going on. And you know what I'm saying? Y'all definitely see what's going on. So I got a lot of respect, man. And a lot of people salute me for, you know what I'm saying, just not giving up, man. Handling this shit like a man. Getting out there grinding, doing my own work under my house, under my garage, just doing my own shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get some house stuff, guys. We'll cut y'all back. We're gonna go to the car wash, vacuum a little bit, then I'm gonna go walking and shit like that. Just something slight today. Not nothing too major today. Hello, man. How you doing? All right? No, I don't smoke.
All right, thanks, man.
No problem. You can call me Lord Farquaad. Oh shit. And my hair came loose. Man, I had to put that big in it. Buy some powder and some. Oh, don't come on no squeeze though. Oh, that's why. I forgot to put the damn screw in that bit. That's probably why, hell. All right, guys, we up here at the car wash, man. Mohawk. Okay, man, we got some stuff we don't need. But like I said, man, we just cleaned that a little bit. And we'll cut y'all back, man. That's that, man. Hey, skirt. Gotta bump it. Can't bump this big motherfucker. That thing ain't moving.
Do that.
I heard all them hoes went down this time. That's great.
Okay, come over here. Yes, sir.
There ain't even no way you can get your money out of that mug. Damn, it must be $1 then.
I don't know. It must have been catch one in the water.
Gotcha. Man, thank you.
That's what I did yesterday for us, girl. Yeah.
Man, we got somewhat clean, you know what I'm saying? Not too much, but way better. Damn thing played the shit out of me. All right. Yeah, no. Fucked around, I don't waste. I had the exact chain too. The money for the wash and the damn change for that, but hell, I ain't trying to put no $5 bill in that motherfucker just to rinse it off. I ain't got no dollars, but I got a 5, and I ain't gonna put no 5 in that motherfucker. I'll be okay. That thing played the shit out of me too. Oh shit, it's a truck right there. Damn. Yo. Guys, we about to go ahead to this car show, man. We got a car show today. Just got done vacuum out the MC. But we're finna go get my kids and stuff. We're finna hop in the truck, going up here to this car show, man. Y'all stay tuned. Got my crew with me today. We're finna go check out some cars, man. Right, yes sir.
I'll go sit in the front.
In the what? In the front or back? All right, come on this side, come on. Hey, gotta make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what they got up here, man. Finna check out a couple of things, man. Man, I was trying to watch the MC today, but I took all my quarters on that damn thing. But luckily cut on though.
Daddy,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Yes, sir, man. We'll cut y'all back once we get here. You got it? Got it?
I'm more like groupie.
You see it? Nah, don't touch me, okay? Look on the
Talking over there, I'm gonna bring the mic to you and make you do these.
God, damn them things send low.
Oh yeah, you
Wait. God.
get that Tennessee twang in there. That way everybody can hear all the redneck ways you talk to me.
Okay, I put it in my pocket, okay? You like the truck? Huh?
Yeah.
Which one you like then? Like that one? You like it?
Yeah.
Nice truck.
Look at this.
I see. What is that? Truck it. Nah, that's a car. 6-0, this motherfucker huge. Yeah, so that's 6-0 and then, I mean,
Dada.
what's up, homie?
Dad.
Huh? How you doing, man? You doing all right? Doing good, brother. You doing all right? Good seeing you. Oh, yeah, I am. Which one you in there? Got the car?
white one?
Yeah, I remember. I know you have
60.
How long y'all been out here?
Well, we
Oh, damn.
opened it up. We've hosted
I like that. Closing up? Yeah, okay.
So we're hosting the whole thing for the city of Pearl.
Okay.
Getting everything.
That's what's up, man. What's up, homie? So, how you doing? Huh?
Yeah, I mean, we got a gumbo festival and
How you
everything
doing?
over here.
Doing good. Come on, y'all. Go over here and see these cars they got. You like this? Okay, we finna go over there and see it, okay? You like these, DJ? Ooh, I like them. You like them too? Okay. That's a Kelly. Man, that's a Kelly. Oh, what up, Jay? What's up with the Rizzo? Man, I ain't even looking. I ain't even recognize y'all.
I ain't never had a car show out here. I was just in my car.
Man, I seen. I swear, I seen Keith posting. I said, I know he ain't gonna miss no car show.
Okay.
Sonic, yeah. he ain't gonna miss no car show. Heck
Right
yeah.
now doing?
Nah, man, I just came. They down right now.
For real?
Yup. I just ain't. I'm still working on the dunk, but I just gotta get my computer flagged in, but I'm good.
Okay.
I got a crunk and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah, so. Okay, we fit
Gonna
too.
walk around and get us some gumbo and everything.
Oh yeah. All right then. Good seeing y'all. All right. Huh? Which one did? Yeah, that's a little. You can look at it. You can't touch it, okay? Huh? You like it? You like it, DJ?
This is the one.
Right in the car. You wanna get your picture made?
Hold on. You want to get a picture in the car? Sure. I thank you. Hold on.
I'm under that.
He finna let you get in, okay? Hold on 1 second.
Pick her up and set her in.
Okay. Let me pick you up. There we go. Can I get them both in?
Yeah.
Okay, DJ, you get on this side. Scoot up, let DJ, okay? Yeah. Be careful. I like this thing. Look. You like it? Okay, you can't twist it, okay? There we go. All right. We're gonna come back. Appreciate it. Thank you. I remember this video. Look at that. Oh, you see that bat? The Halloween? Oh, you see the Halloween on here? Y'all see the Halloween? Oh, can't touch it. You just gotta look, okay? Look at this dog. Oh, dog Halloween, y'all. Don't make it fall out. Look on the back.
I like this pumpkin.
You gotta get off the car, okay? That's a pumpkin. We gotta go this way and this way.
This candy yours.
Governor moved his face.
Yeah, it's like that. So you see that red truck? Look at the cars right there. See, that's the same car. Oh. Like the truck too. Then we gotta go right back around the other side. Then we'll be ready to go to the park. Huh? So 5-0. Yeah. Let's go on that side, then we'll go to the park, okay?
Yeah.
How you doing?
This way.
Like it? Y'all see that Jeep? Look at that truck with lights on here.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. And I like the boat too.
You like that one, DJ? With all the lights on it?
Look, it's on the truck.
Huh?
Hello. Hi.
How y'all doing? Doing good? Yeah, it's a baby. Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Yeah, I see it. You like this red car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this too. Huh?
Look at this.
Yeah, I see.
What's that?
I forgot.
You forgot?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, it's a diamond.
Huh? Sonic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you ride at, man? You
Huh?
bring ride these?
Nah, I ain't bring the ride, man. They down right now. I'm getting them.
Oh, so when you
fixed
say
up.
you pissed off?
Yep.
Oh.
That one.
What happened? I seen it. It was.
My Harmonic balancer fell off, and I'm still doing a swap in my other car,
Oh, okay.
and then my other one I'm still working on it too. So
Oh, okay.
you know how them cars then. To the what now?
Truck or treat at Big Ten.
Big 10, yeah.
Yes.
How did
It's
you
a
do
Sonic.
like this? Like,
See that car? Ooh, like that. All right, guys, we're gonna go. All right, let's go up here.
Dale?
Let's go up here.
How about Dale?
Huh?
Dale?
No, not this car. This is Z28.
Daddy, we are going
Huh?
we are going point.
Yeah, we're gonna go here a little bit. Just for a little bit, okay? I like this one over here.
Dale?
Look at the back of it. You see it on the back? I'll tell you how to do it. Y'all step back. Pick that one up. Get the yellow one. You know what I'm talking about. Good job, DJ. Dang. You gotta keep trying. Huh? One more time. Step. There we go. One more time. Give me one more try. One more try.